Is the stock market a scam? A scam? A scam? Of course the stock market is a scam, guys. Why the hell are you buying stocks in the stock market? Look at all the people that invested into the stock market back in 2008. They basically lost everything in the stock market. So of course the stock market is a scam, guys. Do not do it. You're gonna lose lots and lots of money, especially if you pay attention to this guy right here. You're gonna lose just absolutely everything, guys. Wait, what? I'm kind of confused here. You just said the stock market is a scam. Nah, I'm just playing with you guys. Nah, but for real though, on a serious note, guys, this is something that a lot of people, especially when they come to the term stock market, the word scam just seems to slide its way in that same sentence, okay? So what I want to go over on today's video is basically to clear up the truth on this scam type of thing. Because guys, just like anything that you don't know or you're not familiar with, of course it's gonna seem a little scammy-ish or whatever, you know, because again, you don't know it, you're not comfortable with it, you're not familiar with it, okay? And to be honest, the only people that you're gonna hear saying that the stock market is a scam are probably people who shouldn't even be investing into the stock market in the first place, okay? Now most times this is gonna come from people who go in for the quick money, for the quick buck, you know, hoping to become a millionaire by 1 month or something, okay? It's just not gonna happen unless you have a lot of capital to play with. But I mean, realistically, guys, no, it's not gonna happen. And the sad part is that you'll actually hear this from people who, well, guess what? They don't even invest into the stock market, let alone ever invested into the stock market. So you're telling me you're gonna listen to somebody who probably never invested and believe them that they say that it's a scam? That's like me believing a 400-pound guy who says that the gym doesn't work, but he's never gone a single day in his life, okay? I mean, how does that work exactly? So hopefully, guys, these type of people don't scare you away from investing, because the stock market is also a great way to diversify your portfolio when it comes to making more money, okay? So if you already have a business, you have a job or something, then the stock market is another great way to actually, you know, make more money for you, okay? Now, not all people like the stock market because of certain reasons and whatnot. But again, to me personally, I think it's a great way to diversify your portfolio again, guys, okay? So, I mean, it doesn't hurt to try it, okay, guys? Don't listen to these little fake stories that people are telling you that it's scammy or whatnot. Now, yes, I will say one thing. People in 2008, they did lose a lot of money. But if you just held on to those stocks afterwards, after all that big damage that happened, I mean, you got your money back regardless, depending on what stocks you also picked, okay? But hopefully this helped out a little confusion out there. Hopefully it didn't scare you away, because I mean, again, I know how you feel, guys. This is how I felt when I first started investing into the stock market a couple years back. I was hesitant at first, like, does this really work? I mean, why do people do this? They're just gonna take my money, right? Hey, I'm the stock market, give me your money. Oh crap, I guess they really do take your money, right? Nah, but on a serious note, guys, my biggest tips for this is just start off small, okay? If you're really thinking about investing into the stock market, just start with something small. Something small as like $10 or something. Me, when I started with like $100 just to get my feet wet, you know? I was like, okay, if they really do scam me out of this, it's just $100, that's no biggie. So I went ahead and opened my account, put $100 into it, and I was like, okay, it's actually really easy. You just simply buy a stock and hold it. So after that, I got more comfortable. I started putting another $200, another $300. Next thing you know, I was putting $1,000, another $2,000. And yeah, since then, I mean, it's just been building and building. And really the only way you're gonna lose money and getting scammed out is if you make poor stock decisions by not doing your proper research and just listening to other gurus or whoever that say that this stock is gonna go to the moon or something. And that's most likely the way you're gonna lose your money. So again, guys, by doing the proper research, you should be okay, guys? But again, I really hope this video helped clear this out. And as always, guys, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give this video a big like. Also, if you haven't, be sure to subscribe as well so that you stay notified on more videos just like this, where we talk about all these financial type of things. And as always, guys, just leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Are you someone who's thinking of investing into the stock market, but maybe you're scared because of things like this? If so, let us know, guys. I mean, come on. There's a few people out there who will probably help you, myself included, to get your feet wet, okay? But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.